There we go. We let the bees out. Hi, bees. There's a boy. Whoop. Boys don't have stingers. And clean up your mess. Look at all that messy bees. See how clean that one is? I'm doing housekeeping. This one has not been doing housekeeping. There's a boy. I should pick a boy up. Here's a boy. There. There's a boy. Is that it? Where'd he go? Yeah, whoop. There's a boy. Nope, he's hiding. There's a little crowded with bees at the moment. What they're doing now? If you can see them all playing around, because they're all orienting. They're coming out to fly for the first time and trying to figure out where the hell home is. So they'll all be hovering right in front of the door. Just kind of doing lazy figure eights. Going, oh, that's my new door. Ah, bee. See how the butt's kind of going in and out? I used to think that meant it was going to sting me, but that just means that she's breathing heavy. Because that's a girl. Well, unless she's getting ready to sting me. But I'm pretty sure she's just breathing heavy. Also, is it? Yeah, she's trying to, oops. She's got her sucker out. She's trying to, like, see if there's anything to eat on my glove. Oop, bye. Bye, bee. Glove up. Whoa. I just got hit by a bee. Okay, I'm going to put it away.